We're in the beginnings of the credit cycle rolling over. We're just waiting for the stock market to figure that out. The other thing people should understand is semiconductors, which are a big feeder into the AI investment CapEx build, are so far above their monthly Bollinger Band. The only last time they did this was in March of 2000. So it feels to me like these are ending moves, and then they'll start discounting weaker fundamentals soon enough. We've seen this before. In this most recent rally, after the war scares and then Trump, announcing ceasefires, the market had a tremendous, unprecedented move led by AI and semiconductors. What's interesting is the Dow Jones Industrials have not confirmed this move. They've not gone to a new all-time high. In fact, they're starting to, they peaked out a couple days ago, and it looks like that's having a hard time advancing. We're also, I should also remind people, even though we're at new all-time highs, we're only 3.6% above the all-time high put into the S&P 500 in October, and I think my number 2.4% above the January high. So, it's been a lot of work to get to these highs, and it's all concentrated in one sector. You know how that ends, and with the economic backdrop and the fundamentals, you're basically picking up pennies in front of a steamroller, in my humble opinion.